Welcome to our channel. You lot think healthy eating is bland and boring. Think again. Today we're diving into the world of healthy eating, and let me tell you, it's far from a culinary graveyard. Get ready to discover 10 delicious low-calorie dinner recipes, all under 300 calories. We're talking about food so good you'd swear it's bad for you. Right, you lot, enough with the heavy, greasy nonsense. We all love a good burger or a slice of pizza now and then, but sometimes our bodies crave something lighter, something that doesn't weigh us down. We're starting with a light and refreshing salad. This isn't just any salad, it's a celebration of fresh, vibrant ingredients that will make your taste buds dance. And no, I don't mean a few sad bits of lettuce and a watery tomato. We're leaving those boring salads behind. It's time to elevate our salad game. We're talking vibrant colors, fresh ingredients, and a dressing that packs a punch. Imagine a bowl filled with a rainbow of vegetables, each one adding its own unique flavor and texture. This salad is perfect as a starter or a light main course. It's versatile enough to be a side dish or the star of the meal. Think crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, crisp lettuce, and a sprinkle of nuts for some added texture. The combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of flavors and a delightful crunch in every bite. And the dressing? None of that bottled rubbish. Store-bought dressings are often loaded with preservatives and unnecessary sugars. We're making a simple vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of Dijon mustard. This homemade dressing is fresh, tangy, and so easy to make. It brings all the ingredients together beautifully. This salad is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. With the right ingredients and a little creativity, you can create a dish that's not only good for you, but also incredibly delicious. So let's ditch the greasy food and embrace the freshness of a well-made salad. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will too. Next up, a hearty vegetable soup that'll warm you from the inside out. This isn't some watery broth with a few sad vegetables floating around. We're talking a flavor explosion. Start with a good quality vegetable stock, then add in your favorite vegetables. I like to use carrots, celery, onions, and a good handful of leafy greens. Don't forget the herbs and spices. A bay leaf, some thyme, and a pinch of chili flakes will take this soup to the next level. Let it simmer away until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together. This soup is so good you'll forget it's actually good for you. Now for a classic grilled chicken. But don't think for a minute that this is boring. We're going to elevate this dish with a simple marinade that will blow your socks off. Olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a blend of herbs and spices are all you need to transform bland chicken into a flavor sensation. Marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes, then grill it to perfection. Serve it with a side of steamed vegetables for a complete and satisfying meal. Short on time, this zesty shrimp stir-fry is ready in a flash. Start by stir-frying your favorite vegetables. I like to use broccoli, peppers, and onions. Then add in your shrimp and cook until pink and opaque. Now for the sauce. A simple mix of soy sauce, honey, ginger, and garlic is all you need to create a flavor explosion. This dish is proof that healthy eating can be quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. To all you vegetarians out there, this one's for you. Tofu gets a bad rap for being bland and boring, but I'm here to show you that it can be absolutely delicious. The key is to press the tofu to remove excess water, then cut it into cubes and toss it in a flavorful marinade. For this stir-fry, I like to use a marinade of soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, and garlic. Stir-fry the tofu until golden brown and crispy, then add in your favorite vegetables. This dish is packed with protein and flavor, and it's sure to satisfy even the most die-hard meat eaters. Who says you can't enjoy a hearty beef stir-fry while watching your calorie intake? We're using lean beef sirloin, sliced thinly for maximum tenderness. The key to a good stir-fry is all in the prep. Make sure your vegetables are chopped and ready to go before you start cooking. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add a touch of oil and then stir-fry your beef until browned. Add in your vegetables, a splash of soy sauce and a pinch of black pepper, and cook until the vegetables are tender crisp. Fish lovers, this one's for you. We're baking a delicate white fish like cod or haddock, seasoned with a simple blend of herbs and lemon. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Place your fish fillets on the prepared baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and season generously with salt, pepper, your chosen herbs, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Let's get those taste buds tingling with these vibrant vegetarian stuffed bell peppers. These colorful delights are not only a feast for the eyes, but also packed with nutrients and flavors that will make your palate dance with joy. Perfect for a family dinner or a special occasion, these stuffed bell peppers are sure to impress. We're ditching the rice and loading these peppers with a nutritious and flavorful quinoa filling. Quinoa is a fantastic grain that's high in protein and fiber, making it a healthier alternative to rice. Plus, it has a slightly nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the vegetables and spices we'll be using. Cook your quinoa according to package directions. Typically, this means rinsing the quinoa under cold water, then boiling it in water or broth until it's tender and fluffy. This step is crucial to ensure that the quinoa is perfectly cooked and ready to absorb all the delicious flavors from the vegetables and spices. While the quinoa is cooking, sauté your favorite vegetables. I like to use onions, bell peppers, and zucchini. You can also add other veggies like mushrooms, carrots, or spinach, depending on what you have on hand and your personal preferences. Garlic adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to the dish, so don't skip it. Sauté the vegetables until they're tender and slightly caramelized, which will bring out their natural sweetness and enhance the overall taste of the stuffing. Once the quinoa is cooked, combine it with the sautéed vegetables. This mixture will be the heart of our stuffed bell peppers, providing a delicious and nutritious filling that's bursting with flavor and texture. Add black beans and corn to the quinoa mixture for extra protein and a touch of sweetness. You can also throw in some of your favorite spices like cumin, paprika, or chili powder to give the filling a bit of a kick. Cut the bell peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. This will create little boats that are perfect for holding our delicious quinoa mixture. Choose bell peppers in a variety of colors to make the dish even more visually appealing. Fill each pepper half with the quinoa mixture and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. The peppers should be tender and the filling should be heated through and slightly crispy on top. Serve these beautiful stuffed bell peppers hot and enjoy the explosion of flavors and colors on your plate. Pasta lovers rejoice! You can still enjoy a comforting bowl of pasta while keeping your calorie count in check. The key is to use whole grain pasta and a light, flavorful sauce. Cook your pasta according to package directions. While the pasta is cooking, prepare your sauce. I like to use a simple tomato sauce made with crushed tomatoes, garlic, onion, and a touch of red pepper flakes for a hint of heat. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and toss it with the sauce. Top with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, optional, and fresh basil for a burst of flavor. Last but not least, we're ending with a satisfying quinoa bowl that's packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to fuel their body the right way. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone who loves good food, this quinoa bowl is sure to become a favorite in your meal rotation. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for a healthy and satisfying meal. It's also rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied for longer periods. Plus, quinoa is gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. Cook your quinoa according to package directions. Typically, this involves rinsing the quinoa under cold water to remove its natural coating called saponin, which can make it taste bitter. Then, combine the quinoa with water in a pot, bring it to a boil, reduce the heat, and let it simmer until all the water is absorbed and the quinoa is tender. While the quinoa is cooking, prepare your toppings. This is where you can get creative and customize your bowl to your liking. Chop up a variety of colorful vegetables to add both flavor and nutrition to your meal. I like to use a combination of roasted vegetables such as sweet potatoes, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Roasting the vegetables brings out their natural sweetness and adds a delicious depth of flavor to the bowl. Along with the roasted vegetables, I also like to add some fresh greens such as spinach or kale. These greens not only add a vibrant color to the bowl, but also provide a boost of vitamins and minerals. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it with a fork to separate the grains and give it a light, airy texture. Then divide the quinoa among your serving bowls, creating a perfect base for your toppings. Top with your prepared toppings and a drizzle of your favorite dressing. You can use a simple vinaigrette, a creamy tahini sauce, or any dressing you love. This final touch ties all the flavors together, making each bite a delightful experience. Enjoy your nutritious and satisfying quinoa bowl. Well, there you have it. 10 low-calorie dinner recipes that are anything but boring. I told you healthy eating didn't have to be a punishment. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Until next time, keep those taste buds satisfied and those kitchens rocking.